hard to think about what to tell you guys because so much of my week was already on video. So I did 2 to 3 hours of video every day, including coaching calls, which of course you guys wouldn't see, and on Monday a Q&A exclusive for students in Pay Yourself and the Starship, which again you guys wouldn't see. And on Tuesday, Tuesday was the Pay Yourself Q&A. Wednesday, a podcast episode about what I was reading last month and what I'm reading this month. I also did on Thursday, a Q&A, kind of a frequently asked questions about doTERRA convention. The tickets just went on sale. It'll be this September in Salt Lake City. I went last year for my first time and it was totally amazing. So to talk about that experience with my friend Brittany, who I met for the first time at convention. And then on Friday, I did a webinar about the Daily Healthy Habits Challenge, which if you haven't joined, you can still join, and you're actually going to get a free essential oil if this is your first time getting essential oils. So go back to my YouTube. We'll link it up below. Make sure you watch that. Did I tell you I'm walking my dog now? That's why it might seem like I'm being pulled along. This is the dog I'm walking. Say hello, Raylan. Say hello. So this week, way more videos, but I need your help. I need to know, what would you like me to talk about? What would you like to see videos on? What questions do you have that I haven't answered? Or that you might not know that I've answered before, and I can, if you leave a comment asking me a question, I will either link you up to a video I've already made, or we'll shoot a new video for you. This coming week, you are going to get videos if you are subscribed to my weekly podcast, Explore Your Enthusiasm, where I'm going to answer the question, what's the best business advice I ever got? Also, my other podcast, Essential Enthusiasm, where Jolie and I are going to be talking about how we find books, how we get books. I use the library a lot, and how we keep track of what we've read. And there is likely going to be a workshop and, an announcement about that essential oil study. So ask your questions if you have them in the comments. If you haven't yet subscribed, there are going to be videos every day.